In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive an invoice in your billing dashboard. Archiving is a great way to keep your workspace tidy without permanently deleting any financial records. Think of it as moving an invoice out of your active view so you can focus on what's current, while still being able to find the archived document later if you need it. It doesn't change the invoice's contents or totals, and it doesn't cancel the invoice. It simply removes it from the main list. Start by heading to your billing area and clicking Invoices. This takes you to your full invoice list. If you manage a lot of records, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct one you want to archive. Double-check the customer, date, amount, and status so you don't hide something you still need to work on. If your organization has rules about record retention, make sure archiving meets those guidelines. Next, open your invoice. This brings up the detailed view where you can see line items, taxes, payment history, and notes. Reviewing the details here is a good habit, especially if the invoice is still awaiting payment or under dispute. If the invoice needs attention, consider resolving that first so archiving doesn't slow down your workflow. Now look for the More Actions menu on the invoice page. Depending on your interface, it may appear as a button labeled More Actions or as an icon with 3 dots. Click it to reveal the additional options available for this invoice. From that menu, click Archive. You're telling the system to move this invoice out of your active list and into your archived area. This keeps everything intact, but removes the visual clutter from your daily view. A confirmation prompt will appear. This is a safeguard to ensure you don't archive the wrong document. Read the message, confirm you've selected the correct invoice, and then approve the action. Once confirmed, the invoice will disappear from your active invoices. That's expected and confirms the archive worked. If you ever need to reference the invoice later, you can locate it in your archived section or by adjusting your filters to include archived records. You'll still be able to view the full details, export or print if your system allows, and even bring it back to active status if your workflow requires it. And that's all it takes. Click Invoices, open your invoice, use More Actions, choose Archive, and confirm. Simple, clean, and efficient for staying organized.